Hi everyone, my name is Erica and I'm a paper mache artist. And today I wanted to talk to you a little about a small fix, a small problem that might arise during the process, which could happen at any time when you're making sculpture. So you may already see the issue here. What happened during the process, probably because of the weight of this lovely owl I'm making here, I sort of miscalculated some things. So because of the weight, I think she started to lean backwards a bit. So let me just show you with this ruler. I think it's gonna be easier to see how things shifted the weight. See how it's leaning backwards? So it's not a huge issue. I'm confident that, the wire I put in there, it's quite tough and it will probably hold. But just to make things a little bit more secure, I can do something more to make sure that she doesn't topple at any time. So what I'm gonna do, let me just show you again. Here we go. So she's leaning backwards, right? You can see there. So I'm just gonna lift the base a bit, and you see now the problem is solved. So how I'm gonna do it? I'm just gonna take some paper mache here and I'm just gonna give it 2 feet. That's about it. But let me just make sure that things are symmetrical. So probably around here I'm gonna make some marks. That will give me an idea how to place these small feet. So I'm just gonna stick these to the bottom, not quite at the edge, just leave a little distance. And the other one is about here, just like that. Here we go. And I'm just gonna let it dry for a while, and when it is hardened, then I will just put it down like this, and it's gonna get adjusted just the way I want it to stand, right? Like this. Okay, I hope that helps, and if you run into this problem, this is a very good solution, because she's gonna lean forwards a bit now. So the problem is solved. She can't topple, right? Because she's leaning a bit forwards. All right, so that's it for today. See you later. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Did it ever happen to you? Or just give me a like or share, whatever. I appreciate it all. Thank you.